Hi guys, today we are talking about life-changing health benefits of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body against free radical damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Olive oil can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for people with diabetes. Olive oil can help boost energy levels and improve overall physical and mental well-being. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help promote weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing the number of calories consumed. Olive oil can help improve the absorption of other nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals. When consumed with other foods, olive oil is effective for almost every part of your body. It is most beneficial for your skin, bones, hair and nails. It plays a great role in repairing, softening, nourishing and moisturizing of damaged hair and nails and help them grow faster and better. Olive oil can be used as a hair or skin mask, but it works best when consumed internally.